Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. It's a makeup tutorial for those who wear prescription glasses. I have a prescription. Mine are from Specsavers. They do an amazing range of glasses there. I was trying to go for a, designer higher end frame, but I just didn't like any of those, and I ended up picking these ones, which were from the $89 range, because they just suited my face, I think, and I just like the look of them. They didn't cost me a bomb. This makeup tutorial was requested, and I wanted to show you guys how to bring focus to your eyes, how to make your eyes sparkle and look iridescent and draw light to them, and make it all about the eyes and the cheekbones while leaving the rest of the face very simple and understated. So if you guys wanted to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Welcome to my naked face. Okay, foundation. I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation in shade 208. And then just use my beauty blender to make sure there's no harsh lines. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in medium buff. Tapping it in with my beauty blender. Not forgetting the inner corner. There's a lot of darkness in there. Now we all know when we wear glasses, whether it be prescription or sunglasses, it's so hard to avoid those indentations on the side of your nose. That's going to happen. But we are going to set our concealer with the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in medium. Just lightly dab under the eyes and on the side of the nose. They don't call them frames for nothing. So we want to frame our eyes and get our cheekbones popping. And I'm going to be contouring today with the NYX Taupe blush. So sucking in the cheekbones underneath the high cheekbone, just to hollow that out and make the cheekbone pop even more. And once we've contoured, we can go in with our bronzer. As always, I'm using my Nars Laguna bronzer. Now, when you go in with bronzer, make sure you place it on the high points of your cheeks. And in order to get that exact spot, I sort of turn my face to the side, and where my cheekbone sticks out, I place it there and then start from there. So that's where it sticks out, and I just focus on that point. And wear blush today using my Maybelline Master Blush palette. I'm going to use this nude mauve warm shade here. A little goes a long way with this blush. They're very pigmented, so just on the apples of my cheeks. So now for highlight, I'll be using my NYX Strobe of Genius palette. I'll be mixing all three colours on the bottom. Again, just on the high points of my cheek. Down the bridge of my nose and the tip. A little on the Cupid's bow. Now for the eyes, I am going to be wearing eyeshadow today. Maybelline Colour Tattoo Cream Eyeshadow in Creamy Beige. So just all over the lid and into the crease. And then just with a clean blending brush, I'm going to blend it out, make sure there's no harsh lines. Now for the center of the lid, I'm going to use this Rimmel Singular eyeshadow in the color Lunar Lilac. I like it a lot. And then of course blend it out so there's no harsh lines. So for the inner corners, I'm going back into my NYX Strobe of Genius palette, and I'm going to use the lilac colour here, and then this champagne colour here for the brow bone. I'm going to experiment with a few different eyeliners today. So for the inner corners, I want a pop of colour. I'm using my Chanel waterproof eyeliner in Jade. So I'm just sort of lining the V in the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm just going to soften the line using a smudge brush. Now for the upper rim and upper lash line, I'm going to use my Rimmel waterproof eyeliner in the shade Starlit Black. Just drawing the line where it meets the jade colour liner and then outwards. Very softly, very lightly. And then I'm going to smoke it out with my smudge brush. I'm going to take it along my lower lash line as well. And for my lower waterline, I'm going to go in with the Scandalous Eyes waterproof eyeliner in purple. So now I'm going to fill in my brows using my e.l.f. brow pencil in dark brown. And then I'm just going to set them with this e.l.f. clear brow mascara. And then finally for mascara, I'm going in with my Lancome Hypnose Drama mascara. And lastly for the lips, I want to go for a nude look. I want to make it all about the eyes. I want a beautiful, juicy, nude, glistening lip. I'm going to line my lips first with my e.l.f. natural lip liner. I'm going to finish off with a beautiful nude glossy lipstick by Maybelline. It's shade 107 Fairly Bare. And this is the final look. I've just zoomed in a bit closer so you guys can see. And lastly, we can slip on the frames. I definitely think the focus is brought to my eyes. I like the pop of colour. It was the look I was going for to match my top. I think my cheekbones are popping with that highlight and contour. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys thought of it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!